Hi, I'm Sandy Kendall, and I'm going to show you today two different ways to send an app to your students in Classlink to give them a shortcut to a website or a quick way to log into a program maybe you've set up for them that is not set up by the district for you. So the first way I'm going to show you is when the app icon already exists in Classlink. So you're going to come down here once you're logged into Classlink and click on this My Classes backpack. And your My Classes dashboard will load. So for this one, I'm going to push an icon out to my language arts students. So I'm going to click on language arts. And on the left side, I'll click on apps. And what I'll see here are the apps that are already pushed out by the district. They have this lock icon on them, so I can't get rid of them or anything like that. But I can add a new app by clicking this Add New App plus sign. I want to click on the student library because I'm adding a student app. And I want to give my students the Epic Reading app because I've set up an account for them. So once I find Epic by searching for it, I simply click Add. And then I can close this, and you'll see here that Epic has now appeared, and it will appear for my students on their dashboard. And I will show you in a little bit how the students will get to that. So that worked for this section, LA 4405. Notice if I go back to my dashboard that I can see the Epic icon here, but in my other language arts section, I don't see it yet. So I would have to click on this language arts section and go through the same steps to put the same app here. And I won't demonstrate that for you in this video, but you would just repeat the procedure. Now, sometimes you want to give students an app and it's not available already in Classlink. So it just takes a couple of extra steps. So for this one, I'm going to use math. So I'm going to click here on my math class and click again on apps. And I am going to click Add New App, click on Student Library, and then search for Legends of Learning. And as you can see, there is no pre-made app for this. Not to worry, I simply need to click here where it says Add Your Own App. Now I'm going to type a name for the app and type in the website that it's going to go to. So in this case, this is the login page for this program that I use with my students. Now I'm going to have to select an icon for my app. This you will have to select from the Classlink library, and there will be several icons in here. At this point, you can kind of ignore the names because all it's really going to do is take the picture. So in this case, I could search, and let's see if there's something that starts with an L. Oh, here we go. Here's some L icons. I'm going to choose this one. So I just click on it, and then I click Add App. Now, it doesn't look like anything's happened, but when I close out, you can see right here that the app is now in this class for my students. And then again, I have more than one math class, so I would need to return to my dashboard, go down to my other math class, so I can see here that I pushed it out here, and now I'm going to push it out here. So again, I would click that class and go through the same steps. That's all there is to actually pushing the app out to your students. Now let's take a look at how they will access those apps. Now we're taking a look at how students will access the apps that you push out to them. So in this case, when an app is pushed out, it does not appear out here on the student's main screen in Classlink. So what you'll have to instruct them to do is come down to their My Classes backpack, and then their schedule will come up and they will click on the class that you pushed the app out to. So in this case, we'll do math, and they will click on apps on the left, and then they will see right here the app that you've pushed out to them. They'll click on it and it will take them to the website where you will give them further instructions for what to do. So that is how to push out an app to your students and then have your students access it in Classlink. If you have any questions, please talk with your digital learning coach. Thanks.